Okay. Welcome back home. Appreciate you. Figure out this lighting situation. Change the setup. No, I'm back home. I gotta figure out this lighting, boys. It's awful. Okay, that's pretty good. What do you guys think? Is the lighting good? What's good, boys? Make a video about your strategy? I already have, bro. The lighting, guys. Lighting's good. Like, can you guys see me clearly, though? I guess that doesn't really matter in the grand scheme of things. One thing for sure is I need to flip this. Well, we got the triple monitor setup back, locked in. Appreciate you, blood. Training today? I'll be live. Whether we find something or not, it's probably very unlikely. Back home. Make an LLC. Going to change anything on Alpha. So, what you have to do once you make a business right away, but ideally, all your payout methods, all your subscriptions, anything you pay for, you're going to pay from your business account. You're going to open up a bank account as that business. You put everything into that. Today's probably not going to be that good. Look at these candles. It's awful. Trip was good. Does my account email have to be the same? No, that doesn't matter, bro. Like, for example, if your payment method is Wise, just make sure you submit your Wise to your bank account. If your payment method is ACH, use your business bank account. Don't use personal. If you pay for something, use your business bank account. You basically want all the business related stuff to come from your business. do that. Just my camera here. One sec. It's been a while since I've been on live. So, whatever, you guys will just have to deal with that. Boys, yeah, nice to see everyone. Appreciate you guys waiting for me. Neutral bias, guys. No clear, like higher time frame is bullish, but maybe previous day high on ES, like would be a draw. Range bound. If we take sell side, potential longs. If we take buy side, potential shorts. Feed her. This. Like, I have to send an email. Is there any trading volume next week? Yeah, next week should be good. You trading today, Christmas Eve? It's really unlikely, but I'll be here with you guys for some time. We'll see what it does. We're on a win streak, bro. 40% off on 28? No, it's 26. 40% off Alpha ends up on 26. I have my goals for 2026, but they're pretty personal. In D1, do you think he will take the tops or are we going to visit lower levels? In D1. Oh, on the daily chart? Yeah, I think it's bullish. Just forward you email of all the incorporation information. Okay. How come your video is delayed on the YouTube like 4 seconds? The fastest it can be. I'm in the car. Oh, do you join the Cardi giveaway? Yeah. You've been on a losing streak? That's okay, bro. Really? It's an opportunity streak. Opportunity to improve. Balance will return back to 25,000. Yes. Don't? Do I? I'm just really sick. Nah, I feel good. My sleep has been on point. Offer remains till December 26th. It should be the full day, yeah. Like until the end of the day. Hmm. December was actually good. No complaints here. How's everyone doing, man? I feel like we lost so much TikTok love. You see like thousands of people went on a trip. Everyone's gone, bro. They don't want me. But you know what? We'll slowly bounce back. We'll have to bounce back. You think we are bullish or what's the goal? I think it's neutral. So if we go down, I think up. If we go up, I think down. Probably not going to move much. Realistically, you got like 30 minutes, 45 minutes, maybe 1 hour to find a setup today. And if not, then like 10:30, we're calling it a session. After you pass an eval, yes, it goes back to original. Deck. The other one is S&P. Your background, arrow. That's why I'm in DXY. It's gonna be on my third monitor, which is right here. So I have it open. I don't have to flip through tabs anymore. Thankfully, I can just see everything. Come to Dubai, bro. I just came back from a trip. The last thing I want to do right now is travel. Yeah, trading a fund on this is kind of crazy. I'll be honest. It's an eval day. There's pre-market lows. Heavy lows. Yeah. If you could trade on the 5 minute, it would still be New York session. New York is the best. There's the most opportunity. Lock in. See if this is even readable. What we're working with. There's probably gonna be no org, right? They usually do that on purpose. It's gonna probably go up this next candle. Watch. Okay. Let's just stay on RTH. Moving not as bad as I thought. It's not even open yet, bro. What's your bias? Neutral. There's no bias today. To the right, there's org fill completely. DXY moving higher. YM lower. Nothing clear yet. No, no fun is today. If I execute, it'll be eval. I want to pass these evals before the 40% off runs out, ideally. With AlphaFutures. I can buy more if I fail. No, it's not shawarma, bro. It's 9 a.m., bro. What do I look like eating shawarma? I'm trying to switch to 100Ks, yeah. Just really not messing with this lighting. I gotta get a new light. Anyone have recommendations? Yo, YM is pumping. Holy shit. Down is too low? Just because I'm sick. You get a new light. I need a light right here, I think. I'll buy one. TP5. This light's pissing me off. Right in my face. I love shawarma too, bro. Mm, mm, mm. Looks pretty bullish. Mm. 31. That's a custom jersey. It has my last name on it. Here's your light. Mm. Yeah, I mean, YM is doing its own. Oh, I'm on a 5 minute chart. That's why that's weird. The YM's retracing. Switch to YM chart. Okay. YM looks like it could expand here. What's good, Danny? Yeah, I'm back home, bro. Which video? Gems PO3 series. Watch that. Hmm. Hmm. What looks pretty bullish. Yeah, I think YM also looks bullish. Fair value gap. Yo, this is gonna be tough, guy. I'll be straight up. How's everyone doing, man? How was December for you guys? Was it winning month, losing month? Stay ever yesterday. Nice. Think he still hasn't reached buy side. Yeah, I think they can go higher still. Hmm. And hmm. Yo, this sickness is destroying me, guys. Be straight up. Coming back in January. Yeah, there you go, bro. 950 macro is probably your best bet if you want to do anything today. To be honest, guys, it's not looking good. I think the only thing I'd want to engage in is something like this. But we'll wait for that. You still heavy on cash? What do you mean cash? If you use my code, let me know on Discord, please. I can add you into a giveaway. Hmm. Hmm. Yeah, I mean, I would do do a long like this. Oh, stocks? No, I'm in Nvidia longs. If you're not in the Telegram, you gotta join. I'm in Nvidia longs. To pay again until I pass fully. You have 1 month. What's the giveaway? I'm giving away $100, 2 accounts, and there's a chance to win a Cartier watch from AlphaFutures. A Yeah, gold is taking it down. You is also gonna move down here. YM as well. I think NQ is bearish. I think we can take an eval short. Tape read at least. Something like this. Reward is not there. 1 hour. It's a pretty good 1 hour trade. Tape read it. Do you use Gallows? No. I heard the Fed start printing money again and every asset tends to go higher. I never heard that. Just want to say I'm thankful to watch your vids. You giving me 2 channel accounts. Appreciate you, brother. Appreciate you. Consistency. There you go, bro. There you go. Proud of you. How long does it take usually to pass an eval? When I'm trying to, it depends on my goal, but if I'm trying to pass, I'm gonna pass within three days. Are you trading in this job? Freelancer? The AlphaFutures has 40% off. And I want to walk away with 100K accounts. Use optimal trade entry fibbo age low target. Yeah, you can do that if you want. No, I'm not in a trade. This is a tape read. My model's not here, so I'd be breaking rules if I took this trade. There's no model. ES looks like it wants to take the highs. YM looks like it also wants to take the highs. ES is about to take the highs now. You doing a meet and greet? Never, bro. I don't want to do that. I just want to trade. Zero plan's best for beginners. It's sick for so long, bro. Like I'm gonna go crazy. How long can one person really be sick for? Are you losing right now? No, I'm not in a trade, guys. This is a tape. It's just a trade I see potentially playing out, but my model didn't form, doesn't meet my checklist, so I don't execute. The 2 minute inversion? Yeah, yeah, the 2 minute inversion there. You could try the same idea long 1R. Still doesn't meet my model criteria, but yes, might take out all time highs. Yeah, I have that marked out. It's possible. Where is it? Today? Not today. I don't think so today. I don't know. We do get there, yeah. Hmm. Yes, above the highs. We have S&T. Really no telling what's gonna happen here. Telling. Hmm. 2, 3. YM is gonna reach its target, so I think it's still bullish overall, but NQ is just gonna do its own thing. Probably one of those days. Week, possibly. The Alpha Futures discount is available until the 26th. So you have a couple days, 2 days, more. You got 2 more days. This is the start thing. Take a trade today, if I'm being honest. Ever a YM long? YM looks pretty good. I mean, two protraction models have played out. Everyone's potentially forming. Why trade Christmas Eve? I'm trying to take advantage of the 40% alpha, but it's trying to take advantage of me. Hmm. They ran the deal a few hours after I bought the. That's so sad, bro. What is this price action? It's Christmas Eve. All expected, right? Welcome back. Appreciate you. Appreciate you, brother. Trade today. Better question is, will an opportunity present itself? I think the answer is no. It will not present itself. Sell stop is stop loss. For longs, yes. YM, yeah, let me show you guys the YM chart. Just beautiful manipulation. Come back. Presentation. Traction long here. Traction long here. Traction long here. Maybe squeeze out one R here. Maybe. Keyword maybe. Q doing its own thing. ES doing its own thing. London and Asia low still open here. Wait till 10. Give it 30 minutes. We're back from vacation, yeah. I think you're still charged the promo amount, if I'm not mistaken. No, no bias. Neutral. I think YM will take out its high, and everything else, I don't know. YM is going to play out, though. If you traded YM, well done. Not really liking this camera. That camera. I see ES. I have my charts open here. ES looks like traction along my form as well. ES already reached objective though, so it's hard to say where it'll go. YM still has an objective. I think he will push higher here just based on. Looks like it's going lower at YM and ES higher. It's not PA, it's not bad. It's just it's no opportunity, right? And that's good. That's good PA. Bad PA, in my opinion, is PA that like fakes you out. It's not faking anyone. This is just straight up telling you don't trade. Wait. You guys also have a baby Jesus come give you gifts? Someone gives me gifts. Max allocation, you can do 350Ks. That would be the max. 3 accounts is max, so it's up to you which accounts you want. No Santa. I mean, not a real Santa, no. Like, confused about your question. How do people in the US or Canada celebrate Christmas? They put up decorations, tree, give gifts, have dinner, maybe some stockings. Yep, everything. How are you trading today? I'm not. I am took out its TP. Can you explain alpha standard payout? You just need to get 40% consistency. That's literally it. You did 1.6K likes? Holy shit. Hero. Chart wars on the family dinner? I'm not. Bro. I have a dinner today and I have a dinner tomorrow. I gotta go to the bank after this stream. 3 days? That's not how consistency rule works. Um, honestly, bro, go to ChatGPT and ask it, what does 40% consistency mean? Because as much as I explain it, bro, some people just can't seem to understand it. It's not hard. Turtle, don't breathe in water? That's crazy. Consistency rule is not hard. You don't have to keep track of. What was your favorite part of New York? Food was pretty good. You stop using first person. I only use it when it's crystal clear. There's nothing clear here. Daddy, is Santa real? My mom said he does not exist. He's real if you want him to be, bro. No, I don't use first presentation like that. ES went higher. YM higher. Q, nothing. The biggest rating cannot be 40% of the return profit. Exactly, that's it. Simple as that. Well, make a bunch of money and then make sure your best is not 40%. New York story time? Can I buy your used socks? Yeah, you can, bro. Let me know how much you're willing to pay. You can have them, bro. I need new socks anyways. I gotta go shopping. Just take one micro trade and close it right away. Yes. Just flip. Macro has to do something. It doesn't have to, but it could. 950 macro. No idea what's gonna happen. Either NQ will rally higher quickly to play catch up, or the others will fall down and NQ lead shorts. You went through any ICT? All of them. I went through all of them multiple times. You got 15 and 30-minute CSD shorts are looking more probable on NQ. Look at ES and YM. Even contacted by Juice? What does that even mean? They pre-ordered the socks too late. If I lose today, I'll be selling my socks too. Some people will pay, bro. How much for them socks? I don't know. Should we do a bidding war, bro? GatieTrades socks. That's infamous. That's infamous. That's gotta be at least 3 to 4 figures. Bro, I've been looking more at wick entries. You can literally bottom and top take a greater R. Yeah, that's if you like that, bro. That's all you, man. You into cologne? I have my couple favorites, and no, I'm not really into it. You Prussian? No, I don't smoke. Great to use boxers. Okay, that one, I don't know about that one. That one, I ain't doing that. Socks, you can have them, bro. You can have. Scale too fast now. I got 6 fundeds and no money. 6 fundeds, no money. If you have no money, you gotta trade them one by one, bro. Yeah, risk 0.5 one by one, like until you get a payout and you have money. Like, if you don't have a job, you don't have any money. You gotta be playing it extra safe. I'd risk 0.5% on each one. I'm so excited for 2026, man. I'm so ready. So ready. I feel like this market's just gonna dump. It's just gonna go so far down. Just instinct, like intuition. I don't like all those lows. You scaling up next year? What do you mean by scaling up? What's your favorite ICT mentorship? Probably 2023. Just has the most information, most knowledge. Any payout plaques? Why would I waste my money on that? I don't need that. Payout plaques. It's my bank account. Payout plaques are in there. Here too, brother. Are you gonna risk more? No. Maybe more dollar amount, but same percentage. So like 6 for US 30. Um, it's possible we break down here actually. Looks like YM is showing some weakness. Possible YM showing weakness. Yeah, it's possible. YM is gonna give an inversion here. Hmm. Or just respects that fair value gap and goes higher. We're gonna pump to 6970. Also possible. Agree with you there. DXY is taking out short-term highs, displacing lower, which means maybe higher, still higher. like it's I don't know. I think YM's is doing its own thing. If I'm being honest. There's no clarity. There's no clarity at all. Clarity. YM is breaking down lower. ES is doing nothing. Dollar index is 50 as well. What's your average risk to reward? Recently I've been averaging around like 3 based on just risk management. The trade itself maybe not give 3, but my average win to loss because I manage my risk well is 3. You're still on TradingView or TradeAway? Depends on what firm I'm using. AlphaFutures I use AlphaTix. Live account I use TradingView. Uh, Take Profit Trader and some other firms. Yeah, I think we break down here. Do you think we break lower? Why are we weak? Hmm. That's why I'm doing its own thing. ES, some small displacement. Looks like it's gonna break down. It might actually be worth the risk. 3.5R. Candle trades down. 2R. Weak. Maybe YM is the better trade. After take what's that blue line? Previous day high? Yeah. Took previous day high. Fair value gap. You can take the OB. Just look for like 1R. Good boys. Real estate, it's a good long-term investment, but it's not my style. Hmm. This is continuation long. Reverse that. What's the risk to reward? 1R? Yeah, if we can get a 1R long here, I would take it. I would do this. This top. Eval trade? That's solid. Eval trade? That's solid. It would have to be this candle though. To immediately come up and tag that. Hmm. Get for an eval trade. Trust it if it's the next candle. Kind of weak. Like it. Cancel the order. We'll just tape read it. Would have been filled right there. We'll see if it plays out. If it plays out. I don't like it. I would have preferred. Maybe it is still good for a 1 hour trade, but cancel the order. I have to write this. People are copying. There's not that many people even here. Gold doing. Let me check gold. Gold having pretty solid displacement. We took out those. Hourly fair value gap. Gold longs. Hey, gold long actually looks pretty solid. Good RR potential. Good breaker form just now. I'm gonna be honest. I am definitely trying to force an eval trade here. Worst case, we just get another account with the 50% off. Yeah, gold. I see the hourly fair value gaps. See a potential 1 minute breaker, though it's kind of weak. 1 hour bullish for, sorry, 1 minute bullish fair value gap. Gold looks ready to go. Weak though. Let me show you guys the gold chart. It's bullish. Took sell side. Hourly fair value gap. Good. Trade. Thing like this. Lower. Dare you trade gold in USA? Don't do it. You took the YM long. Did the YM long play out? I think it's gonna play out. I'll be honest. Maybe if gold protraction model. I'm gonna take a trade, guys. I'm gonna be straight up. Just be straight up with you guys. I want to take a trade on my evals. Hmm. Something like this. Do 5R. Be worth it. I don't know. There isn't really any clean opportunities. Clear. Do want to trade these Euro futures. Try to pass before the 20% runs off. Obviously, tomorrow is not a trade day, so we gold short. Fade the hourly gap though. I think gold can still be bullish. You guys take any trades today? Thank you, bro. I sold 50-50. I would assume bullish because the other ones are bullish too. He will probably make it here, you know? Probably. Yeah, man. In gold plays. They don't have to go that high. They can just go here. Internal. Gaddy, hello. Requested a pair from Apex yesterday. I'm so happy. Well done, bro. Congratulations. See you in 2026. See you, brother. There's no point in looking at DXY. It's just gonna go sideways. YM is sideways. Gold could go higher. NQ and ES are finally moving higher. I want to trade my eval if I'm being honest, but I think I'll get to. Fortunately, for no reason, I might as well wait until I'll wait for like another day, Monday or something. Bro, it's Christmas Eve. Nobody can complain about price action today. You just got the eval? You have 3 evals. 100Ks. You reach all the targets. Take advantage of the 40% off alpha. But there's really nothing. There's nothing. One YM long looks like it's gonna play out. Talked about. Maybe you should have hopped on ES. This for value gap for 1 hour. Maybe this moves lower now. Turtle soup idea. Or just slow trends higher the entire day. It's also possible. It could just slow trend higher. Hmm. Hmm. If you're trading like a real trader. I'm not sure what that means, but appreciate you. Gold shorts low key? Yeah, it's possible. It's pretty 50-50 for me, if I'm being honest. I have no idea. I would prefer the gold longs, especially because the NQ and ES are moving higher. Dollar's overall bearish, and I don't want to fade the hourly gap in the overall bullish order flow. I'm back, brother. We back. To wrap this shit up. Yeah, you're right. So we full port on 1 hour scalp or something. It's a bad trade though. I just have to come back with the evals on what's the next opportunity? The next trading day. I gotta go to the bank. No promise to you again. Take care, Deffy. The real thing. Yeah. Good thing. Good thing. See you again. Hmm. Is nothing clear. Well, I am long played out, at least. Should have just taken that. I genuinely think we're just gonna have to come back with the evals. Yeah, the Dow Jones one played out. NQ one might play out. Let's watch the NQ play. Yeah, I mean, it looks like that's two 1 hour setups that played out for momentum scalps. YM was actually their real setup, which it would have played out too. I mean, yeah, you can say I missed it, but like, did I really miss anything? Not really. Not really. Just nothing clear. Boys, unfortunately, we're gonna have to wrap this up. I don't see myself taking a trade. I know I want to trade the evals with 40% off, but I don't want to lose my evals for no reason, given that they're already halfway past. So I guess the best course of action would be Friday. The 40% would be run out though. Well, yeah, we can trade Friday, right? Because 40% off ends on the 26th, so we can trade Friday morning. If it fails, we cop 40% off and we trade them next week. So I think that's the game plan. Tomorrow there's gonna be no stream. It's Christmas. Um, you know what? That's a good plan, boys. Okay, we're gonna come back Friday. We're gonna try to make 3K across our evals. Um, yeah, that's the game. That's good. Two standard. You can copy train any amount of evals, but for funders you can only have three. Alpha's currently 40% off. If you want to use my code, let me know. I'll add you into a giveaway. I appreciate everyone coming through the live stream. I'm gonna go to the bank. I gotta go take care of some stuff. I gotta get a new light. Yo, I need a light. I need a better light. Streaming light. I'm gonna order this shit right now. Because this lighting is pissing me off. Take any trades. Variables on the floor. I need one that can attach to this monitor. It needs to be attachable to a monitor. Oh, this looks good. It's great. Buy this one. So you're gonna come Saturday. Anyways, appreciate you guys. I'll see you guys live on Friday. Take care. Stay safe. If you use my code AlphaFutures 40% off, let me know. Best account. The best account is advanced, yes. It's not the easiest account. I use standard. I'm at coach, I gotta make 9K before Jan 4th. Yeah, don't force that, bro. That sounds. You have 3 days. I would not do that. You took the long you pointed out. There you go, bro. Nice. Well done, well done. I'll see you guys. Take care. Stay safe. Cooking? Alright, let me just see one more thing. Oh, the short played out. Interesting. All that played out. Let's short now. No, I really don't. I think I should just trade Friday. You could. You could look for a 1R. I really don't like it though. If you click sell right now, you get that fill. That's your 1R. I don't like that. That looks more 50-50 than anything. Typically, based on your experience, how long does PA take after New Year? Typically, yo, the first week of January is usually pretty good. NFP week on January. Anyways, take care, guys. Appreciate you. I gotta go to the bank. Stay safe. Don't blow your accounts in this, please. It's not worth it. Even if it's an eval, it's not worth. I mean, maybe if it's an eval, you can argue it's worth it, but I'm not even trading my evals, so I'll see you guys. Stay safe.